Welcome to this meditation for a restful night. Lie down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Hold the breath for a moment, and then exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to relax with each breath, letting go of the day's tension. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and abdomen with each inhale and exhale. Breathe in deeply, counting to 4. Hold for a count of 4. And then exhale for a count of 4. Continue this rhythmic breathing, allowing your mind to settle into a calm state. Shift your focus to your body, starting at the top of your head. Imagine a warm, soothing light gently touching each part of your body, relaxing it completely. Move this light slowly down your body. Begin with bringing the focus to your forehead, eyes, and face. Slowly move to the neck and shoulders, then to the arms and hands. Imagine the warm, gentle light shining on the chest and abdomen, back, and spine. Moving down slowly to the hips, pelvis, then to the legs and feet. As the light moves over each area, feel the muscles release and tension melt away. Silently repeat the following affirmations to yourself or create your own. I am at peace. I am safe and secure. My mind and body are ready for a restful night. I release all tension and stress. Allow these affirmations to sink in deeply, feeling their truth resonate within you. Gradually, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few more deep breaths, feeling the calm and relaxation throughout your body. When you're ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to appreciate the calm state you have achieved. Now, you are prepared for a restful, restorative night of sleep.